Oh no. So
All right. Meanwhile, do one thing. Go to the EC2 and check Docker stats. It it is doing lot of activity, so you can see the statistics will be high. Create a new terminal.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, create a new session. Go to console, create another session. Okay. So you can see the CPU usage is high, low. It's doing activity because installing, and RAM also it's changing. So now you can see that in real time, that is how the net IO happening. It is downloading packages from the internet, installing the the plugins, and it is writing to the disk. So whatever the plugins it is installing, it is consuming the network bandwidth, and it is installing on the container. So every statistics is changing, and you see the processes. How many bits are running?
43.
43. Yeah. So Control C and now run Docker top container ID. Okay. So 60D. Okay. So these are actually the parent processes. Then within there will be others. If you get inside the container, you will see all of the uh, stuff going on. So Docker top and do Docker locks now. Do Docker locks and container ID. Let's see what's happening there. Because these are the commands you have to use. Docker exec, maybe you will get into the container. Usually there are hundreds and thousands of containers, so you cannot get inside the container to check the logs. You will check basic, or maybe sometimes you have different monitoring also available, but that's
Downloading
Yeah.
installation.
So I mean, yeah, you can see that everything you can, it is doing installation or okay, yeah. Now you can create ID password or whatever. So this is the URL. We already know the URL. So yeah, sometimes you have a domain name. You can type like my Jenkins, something like this. That will route to this IP. So we don't have any domain name, no SSL certificate. That is why we are using HTTP. So this is now your Jenkins. So you can create a new item. Just click on new item, create a job, any sample job. So whatever you can do here. Give it a name, test job, something. Yeah, perfect. Click on freestyle project. Okay. Yeah. So first job you are creating, any description, do you have any GitHub link? Nothing is there, right? So at the moment, nothing is there. Come down, just put some commands, we'll see. There is no build trigger, there is nothing. So you can do build step. Click on build step. That is the required option. Any Jenkins job, you need to create a build step. So you can execute shell, correct, perfect. Yeah, you can type some command, see which directory it is in, what is the, disk usage, something like this, you can check. So just type echo space and then backtick pwd, or just type pwd. You don't need to type echo also, just type pwd. Echo is not required. Pwd, and after that you can type enter. Next line you can type date, just type date. That's it. Now save it, run it. Yeah, build now. Yeah, just click on it.
Sir,
Okay, hold on. So it
do we?
already ran. Console output. So you see, what is the default location is var Jenkins home workspace test one. So yeah, so as soon as you create any job, a default folder or location is created in the Jenkins server under Jenkins home directories workspace. So if you connect to the container and go to this directory, you will see a test one folder. Yep. Somebody asking question.
Sir, do you have any notes regarding Groovy script, sir?
Groovy, I need to check because usually I usually write declarative pipeline, and these days I am working mostly on GitLab. So, but I can find some document for
Okay,
you.
sir.
If you want to write Groovy, I will share some document. Yeah, Docker exec hyphen it. It's already running, right? That's why we get into the container. Yeah, exec hyphen it. Uh, Container ID you need to type actually. So get the Docker PS. It's already there. Yep. No, this is the image name. You need to get the container ID actually. So do docker ps. Docker ps output you already shared idea. Yeah. So nginx. Which one is this?
Jenkins, I think, exited. PS hyphen.
Oh, you. Oh, okay. Go to the Jenkins URL. We will verify. Go to the Jenkins URL. Do a refresh. Refresh this page. Done. Because you control D, you exited. So Jenkins is a container exited. So as soon as the container exited,
Yeah.
everything is gone.
Yes.
Right. So
After
basically,
completion of installation, I just click type Control C, sir.
yes. And you need to type Control D. So that is what you can do. Or Control Shift PQ. There is one more command I don't remember. So you can get a new terminal also. But anyway, so yeah, that was the objective. So at least I think Kumar and other guys already know bit about these commands. So yeah, it's good that you are practicing, and all of you at least try to practice few more commands or whatever I have shared, and see you can because if you get an error, read the error message, go to the Google, explore it, run it, because that will give you the
Yes, sir.
confidence. Correct? Yes. So that is why you will able to yep, you will able to run it. And yeah, and from tomorrow onward, we'll start the basic theory for Kubernetes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, will we cover Helm charts, sir, in our Kubernetes class?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Helm chart will cover one Helm chart will use. It's a very basic concept of Helm chart. So at least you know what is Helm chart. So basics we will
Okay.
cover because we have to finish it, I guess, in 2 weeks or maximum 20 days or 17 days. So we don't have much time. So because these things, if you start everything, it will take months to cover even Docker, right? There are so many things, but we need to understand the key concepts so at least you can explore it. So I give you the 1 hour lecture for Docker, Helm, or anything. So at least now you know what is them. You can go and explore and deploy any of the application packages using Helm charts. So yeah, but so tomorrow onwards we'll start Docker. We'll start with the basic theory, and then we'll quickly spin up a EKS cluster in AWS. Okay.
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 All right, guys. See you then. Bye. Bye.
హర్ష మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దామా?